this is Ultim8Attack and my friend here, TonalCougar. We're here gonna do a tier list. We were looking for a tier list to do, and we agreed on doing a restaurant tier list. Oh, cars.
Survival.
Alright, so some of these we don't know, which is why there's a never been section.
It's just me and him.
Yeah. And we're gonna start off. So.
Hey, this is our opinion for
Yeah, this is our
one.
opinion.
No, don't give hate. It make me cry. All right.
Please, guys, don't say mean things.
Yeah, don't say me comment.
Okay.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and
You're saying this way too early. It's gonna sound like we're begging for likes, which we kind of are.
no.
All right.
We're not.
So let's start on
Arby's.
Arby's.
We beat our children.
So
I mean me.
this is a controversial opinion. A lot of people don't like Arby's, and frankly, I don't know why. I like Arby's.
Give it in. I say C tier. I say C tier because I love their curly fries. I love their curly fries there. I've had their meat and it wasn't that good. Like I would say C. Yeah, start it at C and we'll move it down if there's some other stuff.
We'll put it at C. How about we put it in B, and if there's something better that should be put in B, we move it down.
Move
to
it
C.
down.
Okay.
Sure.
So
B works.
So what the hell is Checkers?
I just never been. I have no idea what Checkers is.
All right.
I ate Checkers back when I was in 2.
Let's get rid of all the never bins right now. Okay. Jack in the Box, I'd say is a C. What do you think?
Yeah, C. Hard C.
Yeah.
It's just
alright,
like it's
okay,
plain, but it's not
nothing
that
revolutionary.
Good. It's not
I've never been to Jimmy John's, so I gotta hear your
Jimmy
opinion about
John's
this.
is like a healthy place.
Oh, so
I'm
F.
pretty sure when last time I went there. So
F.
yeah, I would say D actually.
D. All right.
D for now. Yeah.
Sonic. I've been to Sonic once, but I don't remember.
Sonic is overpriced. Good stuff. So I would say C. Yeah.
Papa John's.
Papa John's.
B.
I used to really love their pizza, but I started getting it again, and it just wasn't that
It's because
good.
Papa John's
But you know, the dude's kind of raced. So like, let's put him in A.
The day of reckoning will come.
Yeah, no, seriously.
The day of reckoning
A.
will come. Let's put him in
The
B.
day
Let's
of
put him in B.
reckoning
Let's put him
will
in
come.
B. How about
I'd
that?
be fine.
Yeah.
In front of Arby's, though. Come on.
Well, let's like the left side is priority, right? So like.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Alright. Panda Express. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I'm gonna put this in D. What do you
In B? That's fine.
No.
I love their
D.
orange.
I said D.
Wait, in D?
Yeah.
No, not D. Not D.
Come on, it's just a bunch of white.
At least
people
higher
eating
than Jimmy
Asian food.
John's.
Alright, then we'll put it priority D. How about that?
Good. Yeah, that's fine.
I've never eaten at Popeyes.
Yeah, they have good biscuits and stuff, but
Bayes?
I would say not F. Another D.
Another D?
Yeah.
Alright. Outback Steakhouse. Outback
That
Steakhouse.
place is delicious. They have the best ribs I've ever had.
I've really wanted to go.
So I would say
A?
S. That's
S?
S. No, that's
Oh, okay.
S.
Okay. Damn. Little Caesars. we've eaten at Little Caesars countless times.
A. It's good, and we've been there so
I
many
feel like
times.
it's a B.
Okay, B.
Yeah.
Yeah, B.
Because
it's not
better pizza
like
places.
really
Okay,
good, but
so
it's so good.
apparently, I've been to Hooters. Apparently.
Okay, it's a funny story. So we were going out to like see some family and stuff, and we stopped there. My mom's like, "Hey, where do you want to eat?" Oh, let's go Hooters, because I thought it would have like an owl costume and stuff. And then I saw a bunch of girls. I'm like, "Oh, that's why it's called Hooters." The food was really good, though, so just put it in A.
Let's put an A for the
Just
food.
yeah,
For the
for
food.
the food. Yeah, just the food. Yeah.
All right. Next we got Burger King. Now,
Oh
contrary
my God,
to
my
popular
sister
opinion,
loves
I kind of
place.
like Burger King. I'd say it's like
It's
a C.
C.
At the
Yeah,
least.
C for sure. Have you had their chicken fries?
Yes, I really like those.
This is basically testing our fat assness.
Actually, can we move to B? Let's put Little Caesars
Burger King?
priority B. Little Caesars priority B.
Yeah, for sure. Little
Boom,
Caesars.
like that, like that.
Burger King can stay there. Stay there.
Wendy's. I've
Okay.
never eaten a Wendy's.
Wendy's? You haven't? You're joking.
I'm joking.
It's
I'm not joking.
it's good. It's really good, but their fries are really salty, so I would say D.
Let's put it C. Right? 'Cause-
Okay, C's fine.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
C's fine.
Okay. As a Mexican.
Mm.
As a Mexican. Immediately F. 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 Oh,
I mean, I've got mixed opinions, but you know,
I'm putting it straight to F. I've eaten there like
White
3
Castle?
times, and I've almost barfed all of those times, and I barfed once.
White Castle is a bread place.
So D.
Yeah, or F, because I haven't actually ate there.
Well,
But I've
let's put
seen
it-
their
let's
bread
put it
and
D
ate it.
because neither of us have eaten there. So let's be a
Okay.
little bit optimistic.
IHOP? IHOP is good,
Yeah.
but it's really crowded a lot of the time, so it's
C.
not A tier or B tier. It's more C. Yeah,
Yeah. Subway, we have definitely eaten there a lot. I'd say
That
it's
place
B.
is-
I'd say it's a B.
that's B. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of B's here. I have not ate at Five Guys,
Me either. Let's put it to never been.
but but my sister said that it's really good. No, I'm just joking.
Have you actually never been there? Or?
No, I've never been.
Okay. Applebee's. Corbin. This is definitely going high. Okay. It's just a matter of
Really?
S or A.
Is it that good?
S or A.
A, because I don't know what the hell it is.
Okay. It's so
I
good.
mean, I've heard of it.
It's
But I've never
it's
ate.
amazing, man. Honestly, I've never
Oh,
eaten there.
dude,
I've never,
I love that
quote-unquote,
place.
eaten there, but I've always gotten like those little like samples from the mall.
Oh yeah, dude, it is delicious.
I'd say
Every
A.
single day, my mom came home from the mall. I'd ask, "Mom, can I get the wieners?" Because they were like breaded pretzel, like wieners, basically.
So A, right?
So yeah, A. That's A
Yeah.
for sure.
Putting A's
Um,
pretty much like the place for where one of us has been there and really
Putting
liked
chi-
it, and the other person
Yeah.
hasn't been there because I've never been.
Putting
been to
Chili's and
Applebee's, never been there.
Chipotle right next to each other is like shit central. Like
Yeah.
constipation.
So what I'm saying is F.
Yeah, F for both of them. Go, get in the trash.
Howdy.
We should have a tier where it's just shit. It's the name of it is shit.
We could add one, I think. Yeah, we can. You want to do it?
Yeah, shit.
And the closest to
Make
brown
it
is
brown.
gray.
Oh, there's no brown? That's the closest to brown. What kind of crap are you doing? Gray.
Shit. You're just named F tier shit.
That's fine. That's fine. Just leave it. Oh my god.
Oh, we
Pink
gotta-
is a manly
what
color.
what?
Oh,
Oh,
New.
I named it new.
Does
It's
it-
a D. It's D. It's D.
clear that row.
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So.
Alright, so shit's fine. Up. 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 You know what? Leave Jimmy John's an F.
Yeah. Let's leave it in F.
Yeah, because
You know what?
I ate there, but it's not that good. No.
Oh,
D's fine.
damn. Okay. No arguing. No arguing. No.
You know, but it's not. You know, it's like really good, but you know, sometimes I died there. You know, I went there and they were rude. But it's fine. I'm trying to make up excuses.
Okay. Domino's Pizza. I personally think their pizza's kind of doo-doo.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan.
I'd say it's.
But they've done
C.
a lot of pizza places have changed their stuff, so I wouldn't really know.
C or D.
So yeah, C.
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 All right.
No, D,
Yeah,
because
all
there's
right.
too much stuff at C.
True. CC's is kind of good. I'd say CC's is a C.
Yeah.
It's
It's
like in the
above
middle.
Domino's for sure.
Oh yeah, without a
And
doubt, it's above
definitely above
Domino's.
White Castle because who knows who the fuck that is.
What if it's actually like really good? Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is from another country. So we're taking this as Carl's Jr.
It is.
Hardee's,
Love the name.
but Carl's Jr.
Carl's
is pretty
Jr.
good. I'd say it's a B.
It is. It's B. They've got some good burgers and food. I mean, it's pretty expensive, but it's still
It's
good
not.
food.
It's actually not that expensive. Remember, I had like a burger cost like $4, and it was like a double burger. It was huge.
Yeah, because you guys got the cheap stuff. I decided to order off some other menu
In-N-Out Burger's got to be
from a
an
different
A, right?
continent. In-N-Out is an A,
In-N-Out's definitely an A.
but stop.
Oh.
It has to be a low A because their
Yeah.
fries are again. So
Yeah, the fries are weird.
yeah, I don't like them,
KFC.
but the burgers are good.
Okay.
They've been really bad. Colonel Sanders has.
I don't like KFC. As a kid, I liked it. Now
Yeah, but now
that my
it's
taste
gotten
buds have
disgusting.
developed, I don't like it. I think
I
this
love
is going to a
their
D.
wedges though, so
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
it should go D.
I think it's a D. Yeah.
Alright, D's fine.
Before Domino's, though. Before Domino's, I'd rather
Oh,
eat
for
KFC
sure.
than Domino's.
I just
Buffalo
don't care
Wild
for
Wings.
Domino's.
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Buffalo
it's gotta
Wild
be an A.
Wings is easy S. Actually, yeah.
Actually,
there's so many
Let's go
options.
S. Let's go S.
Yeah, it's so many options for wings, and it's like Wingstop but better.
Yeah, because
Wingstop is also
Outback
good,
is one where you think it's super good, but I've never been there, and then is the one where I think it's super good. This was one we both agree
so
on.
we agree on
Yeah.
that one. Yeah.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. I have to give it a D. That's my opinion.
I've never been there.
It's not-
so
Just put it in D. Just piss off everyone.
I'm gonna put it in C, just because I've
Fine,
never
fine.
been there, so I wouldn't.
They have waffle
Panera.
fries, so whatever.
Panera's going either C or D. Either C or D.
It's bread. It's okay. It is good bread. I eat it a lot with sandwiches. So go ahead, B.
B. All right. But a low.
No, this is a restaurant. So it has to be lower.
Sorry, what?
This is a restaurant tier list. I don't.
Panera
Is there actually a restaurant? Panera?
Panera's a restaurant.
Oh, I didn't know that.
But it's a low
moving
B.
on.
It's a low B. Long John Silver's.
All
I
right.
can't stand it. I can't.
They have this thing called the hush puppies, and I hate the fish and everything, but it's like
Oh, yeah.
breaded.
But I hate
It's-
the fish.
yeah.
But it's just one thing.
Yeah, I don't like.
The
Yeah,
majority.
it's not one.
It's got to be like a D, like a high D.
Shit. Oh, okay. Yeah, D's fine.
Actually, low D. Actually, F. High F.
Small D.
F plus.
All right.
It's an F plus. I can't. No,
McDonald's.
No. F plus. You're getting an F plus.
That's fine. That's fine. That's
No, you're
it's
getting an F
whatever.
medium.
You can tolerate.
F medium.
That's it. Yeah.
No, you're getting an F
Okay.
minus. Fuck you.
That's
Fuck you,
so
McDonald's.
rough.
Fuck you, McDonald's. You're getting an F.
I wouldn't think that. Dairy Queen. I haven't ate
It's
there,
pretty good.
but they have delicious
They have
ice cream
delicious
and
ice
just
cream.
everything.
I'm putting it B. High B.
That is B. Yeah. I mean, it has ice cream, food. It's just everything good.
Mhm.
Okay. What else?
Pizza Hut?
People like Pizza Hut for some reason. Aubrey, do you like Pizza Hut?
I only like the
No.
pasta.
See? No.
And
Put it
the-
in
and the
X. Put it in shit. Aubrey said no. Aubrey said no.
I'm putting it low C. How about that?
Yeah, that's fine. I haven't really ate there a lot, but
I don't like the.
I guess I like
I
it.
don't like the pizza.
Pizza is pizza.
Anyway, Starbucks.
Starbucks.
I gotta put
That's
this-
all you, dude. I drink water there.
I'm a coffee fanatic. We gotta put this a low
Whatever.
A. Low A.
Stupid
No.
alcoholic
For all you
coffee.
girls out there, I'm putting it a B plus to offend you. Krusty Krab. S. S.
Oh, dude, easy. No, you gotta add a tier
No,
just
S
called
plus, S
SpongeBob.
plus. SpongeBob. No, we gotta put S
Yeah,
plus. S plus. Where's the plus? I can't find the plus. I'm.
it's near the
Oh, here we
equal
go.
sign.
Wait, what the? Okay, there we go. It's gonna be.
Make it,
No, no, no.
black.
Yeah, we'll make it gray. Boom.
The crusty crab pizza
S
is the
plus.
pizza for you
Okay,
and
what does it?
me.
Oh, I just put
Oh
E.
no,
What
that
does E
turned to
mean?
S plus. Um, something ain't right.
We gotta
I
add.
mean, it says add row
Add
above.
row below. I mean not below. Okay, we move these. We move these. So I'm gonna do a little something here. I didn't know
New.
IA Denny's.
I didn't know Denny's was a new place.
It just came up, bro. Early
It just
access.
you made it. It's your
Early
company.
access.
All right, let's see here.
I
So
pre-ordered it, bro. Okay, there we go.
you pre
I
you
pre-ordered
pre-order the
Denny's.
damn entire restaurant.
Okay.
Okay,
Wait,
so
I thought we. Oh, you've been to Church's Chicken. Hold up, never mind. What is friendly?
oh yeah, okay.
What is friendly?
I don't. It looks familiar, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so churches, great chicken. I went to the zoo, tried their chicken, absolutely bomb. But since you don't know about it, I think it's B or C. I'll
I'll
let
put
you
it
choose.
below C. Actually, I'll
That's
put
fine.
it high C.
Let's go. Yeah, yeah.
Johnny
Okay.
Rockets.
Yeah, I was like, you're putting it in backup check. Um, we both been here. Their
It's
service is
good.
pretty shit,
What do you mean shit?
but
What do you mean shit?
it's good food.
What do you mean shit though? Is it
Yeah,
good?
so B. High B.
High B. Actually, I think I put it at low A.
That's fine.
A minus. Del Taco. It's better.
I don't like that
It's
place.
better than
I
Taco Bell.
despise it.
F minus. Can we agree? F minus.
The only thing I ever ate there was the macaroni and cheese, and then I tried a
Macaroni and
quesadilla there, and I
cheese.
threw up.
Ew. Del Taco macaroni and cheese. That sounds disgusting.
It's actually really good.
What the? Olive Garden.
Wait, no, I don't think I'm talking about Del Taco, my friend.
Bruh. Olive
I think
Garden.
I'm talking about something.
Olive Garden's going an S plus.
Olive Garden has the best breadsticks ever, and they are just oh,
I'm gonna put Del Taco
oh.
in D. I'm gonna put Del Taco in D. Red Robin. I it's I feel like I have, but I don't
It's
remember it. Is it
it's pretty good. I mean, I've ate it,
B?
and I just didn't care for it. I just forgot about the place. So I think it should go low C or B. That's fine.
Wait, I'm gonna move Panera. Low C. Why? What is Panera
That's
doing
fine.
in the B tier? Get that shit out of here.
Yeah, get the bread out of here. We don't
Okay,
need
so what's
loaf.
Cracker Barrel again? Old Country Store. It's called a store. This is a
Oh,
restaurant tier list.
they call it a store, but it's a store. It's like a where you buy old stuff and then you have there. It's not that good. It's shit. Just put it in shit.
I put in a shit.
Just,
All right. Put it in
just put it in shit. No one likes white people. Okay.
All right, Dave and
Dave and
Buster's.
Buster's is not a restaurant. I mean,
Well, I
it
mean,
is.
kind of. I've eaten there. It's pretty good.
It's good food. It's expensive for the
B
arcade, so you
plus.
cannot put it in S.
B plus.
But it can be high B. Yeah. I mean, they got a whole food court.
Okay, I've
Damn
been
mall.
here. And as a Mexican, all
I
right.
don't know about
As
the
a
place.
beaner, I've got to put this C plus. Definitely had better. Not as good as La Bofadora. If La Bofadora was on here, I'd put it in S. But unfortunately,
S
it's not.
plus.
No, S. Come on, chill.
Oh, sorry, my
I've
bad.
been to Krispy Kreme.
That is the place that you eat a hot donut and it just melts in your goddamn. That has to be S or S plus. I
I'm
will.
putting it A plus. I've only been there
Okay,
one
in
time.
front of Hooters. Really? You don't like that?
Do you like Dunkin'
Jesus.
Donuts?
I don't know. I mean they have coffee
I'm more
and
of a Starbucks guy.
stuff and donuts. It's
Um,
I haven't really cared for it.
C. I'm putting it C.
That's fine.
Baskin Robbins. I've never been to
Baskin
Baskin
Robbins,
Robbins,
same thing.
but I've
It's
always
they
wanted
have
to.
really good ice cream, same thing like Dairy Queen, but less popular. So
So right
put
in
it
front of Dairy
like
Queen.
yeah, right, yeah, right next to.
All
Um,
right. It's Cheesecake Factory. Never eaten there. Always wanted to. Thought I was an
that is
actual
that
factory as a
place.
kid.
It's literally just cheesecake, dude. That's
All
all it
right.
is.
Sounds good.
And it's cheese. Have you had cheesecake at least?
Yes. I love cheesecake. I've always wanted
Then
to eat
put it in
there.
S.
I genuinely thought it was a factory when I was a kid.
It is a kind of a factory. It's supposed to come straight from there.
I said this. Okay, okay, okay.
That's the place. That's the place I got
Yeah.
the macaroni and cheese. El
I'm
Pollo
turning my
Loco.
volume up for this. As a Mexican, giving you my full
Oh my god,
opinion.
you're a Mexican. I forgot.
Shit tier.
Alright, whatever.
Shit tier. Garbage.
Really? You don't like it?
Disgusting. My family gets it so often, and I can't stand it. I drown it in buffalo sauce to mask the yucky taste of the gross chicken. Vile, volatile, disgusting, a shame to the name of Mexican food.
Alright, so,
If you like El Pollo Loco, you do not like good Mexican food. You have a bad taste.
I hate it. I hate the place.
Disgusting.
Golden Corral. Okay, so this is a little different. I've been, but I haven't.
It's a buffet.
It's been
It's
brought
got buffet
home.
pizza, Corbin. It's got buffet pizza. It's gross.
It's okay, but it's F. It's low F. It's a
it's a
very low F.
yeah.
It's not shit, but it's not.
Let's put a D
It's not
minus. Let's put a
D.
D minus.
Fine, fine. Yeah, because it has food.
It has
Unlike McDonald's.
McDonald's does not have food. It is
McDonald's
chemical
doesn't serve food.
constructs. It is just chemical. Chemical
That
warfare that
place.
goes on.
Okay, here's a funny story. So whenever we go, you know where Kaiser is, right?
Kaiser
Kaiser
Permanente?
Permanente.
Yeah.
Yeah. That hospital. There's always a Red Lobster right there. We ate there once, and it was so goddamn delicious. But then when I saw the bill when I was younger, I was like, I will never eat here again. But it was so goddamn delicious. It is expensive
plus?
to hell, but
Hey,
it is.
good.
I I was
It's good.
terrified by the lobsters, man.
A plus then. All right.
A plus is fine.
Here is our tier list. Let's check to make sure everything's good, okay? Let's start with the never been to. Definitely never been to any of his places. I'm sorry if I haven't been there. This is both of us. Both of us have never been to any of these areas.
Is there any way I can argue Taco Bell to get low F tier?
How?
Anyway.
Explain to me
Okay,
how
so-
Taco Bell could be
So,
low F.
when I was a young little boy, because it's not completely shit.
No.
It went to shit.
It is garbage. We were talking about the current state of the restaurant. I literally got the most safe meal. Dude, I got the tacos. I mean the nachos. I got the nachos. It was such a safe meal. How do you fuck up nachos? I took one bite
Dude,
into
their
the
nachos are
nachos,
horrible.
and I almost regurgitated. I felt the lactic acid start to go up my throat. And I just put it down. And I just
But the
decided, you know what? I'm not
Dorito
eating
taco, man.
it. Corbin,
You can't
My
do the
parents-
Dorito taco
my
like that.
parents-
They even had a freaking.
listen,
I forgot what the other one was.
my parents, the people who have the worst taste, who can eat rat shit garbage, they thought that Taco Bell was trash. And that is
Okay,
rare.
you are
That is rare.
determined to keep it on shit. Okay, at least it's high shit. There you go.
Sorry.
No, it is not.
bad.
Chili and
My
Chipotle is
bad.
not in front of Taco Bell. I call bullshit.
No. Let's say it's like that.
We don't even know what Cracker Barrel.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, it's all those Cracker Barrel fans.
Whatever. I don't.
F tier. I'm keeping Long
Um,
John Silver's and McDonald's. I haven't been to Jimmy John's, but I know these two are absolute garbage. Patootie.
Jimmy John's is like Subway but on crack.
Oh,
It's not that good.
I've been in there, and then my dad just looked around, and he's like, nah. And we just went to go eat Denny's. I was like,
Yeah, it's not that good.
yeah,
F tier's fine. Panda Express High D because you don't.
I don't like it.
White Castle. Can we put that like low D? We don't even know what the fuck that.
Well, then, if we don't know what it is, why should we be so critical to it?
We don't know what it is. I mean, we do. It's a bread, but
It is a bread.
whatever. You think a loaf of bread is better than KFC, Domino's, Del Taco, and Golden Corral?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
At least it doesn't have buffet pizza. Yucky. Okay.
On the border, I don't know about that place. Churches, I love how that's higher. Jack in the Box, Sonic, Wendy's, IHOP, Caesar's Pizza, Dunkin' Donuts, Popeyes, Chick-fil-A Pizza. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with
gonna
that.
put Pizza Hut lower C, and same with Dunkin' Donuts.
That's fine. Dave and Buster's. We can't really say much about that. Starbucks coffee, you coffee fanatic. Dairy Queen for sure.
Yeah,
Baskin Robbins,
Little Caesars.
Little Caesars, Arby's, Papa John's, Burger King. I feel like Subway should be in front of Burger King.
I gotta move Carl Jr. a bit ahead.
Yeah,
There we go. And Subway for the Burger King.
Burger King. I mean, it's Subway, man.
Fine. Just because we eat there as a friend group so often, and we've had an emotional connection with Subway.
Yeah,
A
it's
spiritual
my baby.
bond. A spiritual bond.
I mean, do you remember the guy that was asking for water? That is what. Okay.
Hey,
Red Lobster, Krispy Kreme, Cheesecake Factory, Hooters should be a S plus tier because of the the good food. Apple.
I gotta put Applebee's in F. It's just so good.
Auntie Annie's, I love that being an A. In-N-Out, that's fine. Johnny Rock, yeah, I think we're good.
Denny's.
Oh, Denny's and Outback,
Oh,
that's good. Buffalo Wild Wings, Krusty Krab, yeah, I think this is good. I like this.
yeah.
This is my.
So
This is good.
Here's the tier list. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it and download it.
What, and send it to your grandmama?
Yeah. Well. There it is. There's our tier list for the restaurants. 70 restaurants. There's a really large portion that we haven't been to.
I still feel like Taco Bell should be higher.
No. No. Let's rate shit minus.
Alright.
Z. If I wanted to, I would make a Z tier for that.
Z is bad and worse than shit.
Yeah. It's the last letter
Okay.
in the alphabet.
Yeah, but it's still shit.
Well, that's gonna be the end of this video. We may or may not make another one. Not sure. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This has been Ultim8Attack and TonalCougar signing out. Make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, comment.